First method is to restart PlayStation. So this is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just have to open the PS5 screen and after that select power and then click on restart PS5. So after restarting PS5, now check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, move to the next solution. Next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings, move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. You need to check each of them and then delete save data if required. For that, go to 5 settings, click on save data and game or app settings. After that, select the save data PS5 and here select console storage and then click on delete option. Now check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next solution is to rebuild database. So for that, first you need to switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beeps sound occur. After that, leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here you need to connect DualSense controller via USB cable and after that select rebuild database. So after this method, try to play the game and check if the issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to check for game updates. So make sure your game is updated and not running on outdated. The developers of the game releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and to improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after that try to launch the game and check if it fixes. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. So for that, first launch settings on PS5, then select system. After that, go to system software update and settings. After that, select update system software and finally select update using internet option. So after you install the latest software updates on your PS5, now try to launch the game and check if the issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. So for that, go to settings on your PS5, click on user and accounts. Next, go down and click on click on other option. After that, click on sign out. So after this, again log into your PS5 or PS4 account and then check for the error it is fixed or not. Next solution is to change language on console. So for that, you need to first open your PS5 settings, then go to system. Here select language in the left sidebar and then select your current language. From here change the language to English or any other you want and then after that try to play the game and check if the issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to reset your console settings. So for that, launch settings on PS5, then go to system. After that, select reset options under system software and here you need to select reset default settings. Finally, select restore option. So after resetting your console settings, now try to play the game and check if it resolves the problem. Next is to reinstall the game. So first you need to highlight the game on your PS5, then press options on your controller. Now select delete and finally restart your PS5 once and again install the game and check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to contact support. So when the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. I have provided the link in the description, just go through it and hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game on your PS5 without any further issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.